everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Listary not opening on Windows in this complete 2026 guide. If Listary won't launch, closes immediately, or nothing happens when you click the icon, don't worry. I'll walk you through several simple solutions that can help fix the problem. First, try opening Listary from the Start menu instead of using the desktop shortcut. Search for Listary and click on it. If it still doesn't open, press *Ctrl+Shift+S** to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for Listary. If it's already running in the background, right-click it and select End Task**. Then try launching the program again. If that doesn't work, restart your computer. A restart can clear temporary Windows issues and restart background services that Listary needs to run properly. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Listary. Older versions may not work correctly after a Windows update. Download and install the newest version, then try opening it again. Also, check whether Windows Security or your antivirus software is blocking Listary. If it is, allow the program through your security settings and try launching it again. If the issue continues, uninstall Listary completely and reinstall it. A fresh installation can replace damaged or missing files that might be causing the problem. Finally, check for Windows updates. Installing the latest updates can fix compatibility issues and improve system stability. And that's how you can fix Listary not opening on Windows in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.